Hello my dear viewers, welcome back to our kitchen's Fana Foods. From now onwards, we are giving you voiceover so that I can give you many tips for easy cooking. Today we are cooking mutton curry. So let's start our cooking. So let's lit the stove, put it on a high flame and take a deep bowl so that we can cook the meat properly. First add 2 tablespoons of ghee. If you can't get it, you can use butter. As the butter or ghee melts down, add 1 kg of well cleaned mutton. Just keep on stirring it until you can see change in the color. It turns down slightly grey. After that, add 2 tablespoons of salt. Mix it once and leave it on high flame for nearly 10 minutes. Now let's move to our next ingredient. Take 2 large and 1 small onion. If you want, you can go for all 3 large. Absolutely null effect. Peel the outer layer and cut them into 2. Now chop them into fine even slices. As it's time to check our meat, let's add chopped onions to it and stir it well. Be very delicate in stirring it. As the meat starts to shrink and turns brownish in color, add a teaspoon of turmeric to it. Now stir it again so that it gets coated to all our pieces. After a few seconds, add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. You know, when you cook the meat with each ingredient for few seconds, it gives nice flavors added to it. Now let it cook for another 10 minutes. In the meanwhile, take a mixing bowl, add 2 tablespoons of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of fennel powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 3 tablespoons of curd, and take a whisker, whisk them into fine paste. If you don't have a whisker, no need to worry. You can even use a spoon or a fork, whichever you think it is suitable for you, to make it into a fine paste, as you see here. Now take this paste, add it to the mutton. Now mix it very well so that each and every piece may get coated very well with it. Stir it thoroughly and leave it to cook for another 10 minutes on a high flame. Take a fry pan, maintain low flame and add bay leaves, 3 black cardamom, 8 to 10 cloves and a cinnamon stick to it. Toast them for a few seconds on a low flame. Don't burn them. As they turn slightly brown, take them and make it into a coarse powder. Now add this powder to the meat, stir it well and fry it for 5 minutes. Now it starts to lose the water and gets oil oozing out from it, as you see here. At this time, add 500 ml of water or more if you want, depending on the consistency of gravy you need. Add 1 tablespoon of mutton masala and mix it well. If you want even more spicy, you can add more masala to it. Now it takes nearly 2 hours to cook, so if you desire, you can do all this process in your pressure cooker itself. You have to wait for 7 whistles to get it well cooked. Place the lid and cook it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove it and give it a nice stir so that the meat may get cooked evenly. Now repeat this process for every 30 minutes until 2 hours of cooking. After 2 hours, it's ready to serve. Thank you for watching our videos. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos.